How do you make your way around the Cognigy user interface? This video is all about clicking, so get your mouse or trackpad ready while we take a tour of Cognigy AI. Let's start on the Agent Overview screen, the screen you see when you first log in. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see your agents. I currently have none, some news, and some Getting Started resources. Be sure to click here on the Help Center for some great step-by-step tutorials. I'll create an agent by clicking Create Agent and making my way through the wizard. I'll use the restaurant template as our example when exploring the user interface. On the agent dashboard, I'll see some analytics. There's no data now, but more will show up once I go live, and I can click on this arrow to see more. Let's focus first on the left bar. Hover over it to see some top-level navigation categories, and click on a category to see the resources there. The first place I'll go is under Build. We'll open up Flows. Here you'll see all of the flows I have in this agent, and I'll click on my main flow. You can move around the flow editor by dragging and scrolling, pinching and zooming, and you can also control the zoom in the lower right corner. To add a node to your chart, you can click any plus sign. There you'll see a searchable list of node types. I'll add a Say node to the top of the tree. Notice that I can control-click to see useful options like copy, paste, and delete, and I can even expand and collapse whole branches of the tree by choosing that option in the context menu or just double-clicking on the node. Lastly, I can drag and drop to move nodes around the tree. At the top, I can click on NLU to go to the Intent Editor. We'll review the Intent Editor in greater detail in another video, but for now, you'll see the existing intents on the left side. At the top of the Intent Editor, you'll see the other options such as attached flows and attached lexicons. I'll switch back to Chart View. To interact with my flow, I can access the Interaction panel by clicking the bubble icon on the top right corner of the page. I can type in a message to start the flow. Within the Interaction panel, I can click Chat, Info, or Settings to see more information and configuration options. When I click on Info, I see a submenu to view the input, the context, the state, or the profile. To clear out the chat, press Ctrl-B on your keyboard. You can also click on the vertical ellipsis and select Clear Chat. Back at the top, I can also click on the profile icon to see my profile, set access controls, and other options. Finally, to return to the agent dashboard, click on the name of the agent. To return to the agent overview, click on AI.